Hi.
Please, who am I here with?
I'm Prince.
Okay, so please, as a student, what influenced your dressing today for class?
Oh, it's not anything big. I see it to be a normal day, and it's a normal class too. And I think today is Friday, Thursday. Yeah, so I chose to wear something casual.
Okay, so is this your dress code for every class?
Oh, not actually. Yeah, because it depends on the class that you are going. Maybe you're having an official class, or maybe presentation or something. Yeah, you will choose to wear something official. And when it's a casual day too, you will choose something casual, not something bad but decent. Yeah.
Okay, so please, people have the notion that wearing casual to class should not be the norm of the day. What's your take on that?
Oh, not wearing casual.
Yes, not wearing casual at all. It should be official.
Yes, not everyday official. It can be like that because sometimes the weather or the climate too may change the way you wear your things. You can't wear something long when the sun is too hot. Yeah, so something casual maybe from here, or wearing an African wear, something decent among who or anything. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Hello, please, who am I here with?
Eric Jampon, that's my name.
Okay, so please, what influenced your dressing to the campus today?
Discipline and commitment, yes, because I believe that yes, we are on campus though, but then we are learning and preparing ourselves for the corporate world. So everything that we are doing on campus should reflect our life outside there. Yeah, that is it.
Okay, so please, between casual dressing and official dressing, which do you prefer and why? Which do you prefer to be worn to class and why?
If you ask which, it means we should choose one. I would have said both, but then predominantly I would choose official, in the sense that, just as I said, we are preparing ourselves for even if you are a mechanical engineer, okay, you are offering courses that at the end you are going to work under cars with dirty oils and stuff. Before you work to your office or your place of work, you cannot wear that dirty stuff on the streets. All right, yes, you need to be in something present. You need to look presentable. Yes, when you go to office, you put on the office way. So in other words, when you come to class, the classes are office as of now, so you put on the official office way, let me say it like that, for the class. So I go for official. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Oh, I'm very grateful. Thank you.
Hello, please, who am I here with?
I'm Ishmael.
Okay, so please, what influenced your dressing to class today?
What actually influenced my dressing?
Yes.
Actually, I wasn't having a class, you understand, and I came to do my personal study, so I prefer being in a casual dress.
Okay, so some people have the notion that we should wear official to class. Others too have the notion we should wear casual to class. What's your take on that?
Actually, I prefer being official. Official in the sense that it's a business school, you understand, and how we dress determines our future too. But everyone in his or her own preference or understanding towards how he or she should dress on it, you understand. So on my intake, I would say, as I made mention earlier, official, since we are in a business school. You can't wear casual dresses when you're going for an interview, you understand. So if we practice it here on campus, it will enhance us to know when and where to dress. Thank you.
Thank you too. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome, dear.